Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Lifestyle with G. If you are coming for the first time, you are highly welcome. You're not mistaken, this is the right place to be. Thanks for joining me. On today's episode, I'll be teaching us how to have your vegetables in and out of season. Yes, I mean how to store, how to preserve with this simple trick. Also, we are going to be starting with carrot. Do you even know that eating carrot can do a lot to you health-wise? Come on guys, let me teach you. So guys, this is our carrot. I actually skipped the process of prepping it because I don't want this video to be too long. I washed the carrot with water and salt 3 times course while enjoying my carrot. I don't want to be eating sand. You get. So I proceeded to scrape the back so that I can be very sure it's clean. Then I proceeded to cutting. Guys, this is where the work is. You can shred, chop or slice it depending on the way you want it to look, but I chopped my own. Yes, now to her dehydrator. Guys, I will later do review on this dehydrator to know the usefulness and the type to go for. After cutting, I use clean cloth to remove the excess water on its body, I mean the carrot. If I don't, all my carrot will just come out soft and cooked, but that is not what I want. I want a dried carrot. I proceeded to spreading it inside the tray, set my thermometer and then wait for the magic. I checked it every 20 to 25 minutes. Then after 2 hours, thereabout, our dried carrot is ready. Are you excited on my behalf?
Oh my god! Wow!
Okay guys, this is another thing I want to tell you. You can actually dehydrate for 1 hour and sun dry for 3 hours. This can work also, but you will have to cover it with nets so that dirt or insects will not fall on it. Then I proceeded to store it by putting it in a Ziploc nylon. It can stay there 369 months without spoiling. I tried it with my noodles. This is how it looks. Will you be trying this? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks guys. Bye. Eating carrots daily offers numerous health benefits, including boosting your immune system, improving vision, promoting digestion, aiding in weight management, prevent some certain types of cancer, improve strong bone and brain function, and many more. You can eat your carrot like that, garnish your food with it, or make a smoothies, anyhow you want to do it. Will you be eating carrots today? Let me know in the comment section. Bye.